Hi, and welcome back to HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real. My name's Renee, I'm one of the owners of LCS, and today I want to talk to you about annual maintenance on air conditioners and furnaces. So annual maintenance is a service that's completed on systems that are operational. They're cooling your house, they're heating your house. It's just a specific set of checks that we do and cleanings to make sure they're running at their best. Now, that makes annual maintenance an important service, but not an emergency service. So we've had a couple calls this week and people will say, hey, I know it's the end of the season, I'm a little late to the game, but can I still get my air conditioner maintenance done? Absolutely, and actually, you're not late to the game at all because annual maintenance is completed all year long. It doesn't matter what month it is, it does matter if we're doing furnace or air conditioner, but every single month of every single year, we are completing annual maintenance. Now, why is it important? Number one, and I would say these are in no particular order, but we're gonna start with something that's extremely important, and it's warranty. All right, so if you have a new system, it could be 2 years old, 3 years old, or if you have an older system that's getting up to that 8, 9, 10 years old, your system's probably still under warranty. It might be part warranty, it might be a labor warranty, or it could be both. What you have to remember is that annual maintenance is required in order for your warranty to stay in effect, okay? And this is so that there's not any breakdowns or repairs or parts that go bad due to negligence. The easiest thing to relate this to is your car, okay? So you can have a warranty on your car, but in order for that to stay in effect, you have to have the oil changed, you have to have the filters changed, you have to have that routine maintenance done. Same exact thing with your furnace and air conditioner, okay? So in order to keep your warranties in effect, you have to have maintenance done. Again, it's not an emergency service. It can be done anytime, but it has to be done. All right, secondly is the condition. It's really important for homeowners to know what the condition of their air conditioner and furnace is, okay? Nobody likes surprises, especially the kind when you come home after a long day of work and it's 80 degrees in your house, or it's 40 degrees in your house because the air conditioner or the furnace has stopped working. When you're blindsided by that, it's kind of scary, right? What happened? Why don't I have heat? Why don't I have cooling? How much is this gonna cost? How long is this gonna take? Are the parts available? It can be a real stressor, okay? So if you have annual maintenance done, you'll know what the condition of your furnace is. Hey, is everything in operating specs per the manufacturer? If the range for this part is here and here, and the range for your part is over here, that tells us that it's probably on the way out. So you're gonna know that sometime in the next couple days, couple weeks, couple months, you're probably gonna lose that part, right? If everything's in operating order, that's fantastic, and you know that, and it's a peace of mind, okay? Now, another thing, bills, utility bills, right? So a clean furnace, a clean air conditioner, something that's operating within manufacturer specs is going to be most efficient. So if you have really high utility bills, let's start with just cleaning it up a little bit and seeing if that improves the efficiency. If your filter hasn't been changed, if your blower is really dirty because the filter has not been changed, if there is buildup on the outdoor condenser. So many times, here's a little tip for you. So many times people want to have their air conditioner maintenance done very early in the season, so April and May. That is great. However, there are some neighborhoods in Indiana, some parts of Indiana that have cottonwood that flies really bad later in the summer, like June-ish. For those people, it's really best to have your air conditioner done after that, right? Because if the cottonwood flies in June, we get your air conditioner all cleaned and set up for July, it's gonna be good for the rest of the summer and the beginning of next spring, right? Until the cottonwood flies again and then we have to go on and get that cleaned again. So, clean, efficient system. It's going to run most efficiently when it's clean and maintained. The condition of it, it's so important to know what the condition of your system is, and the warranty. We want our warranty to stay in place. So whether you have your furnace or your air conditioner maintenance done in March or April or November, December, January, July, August, it doesn't matter as long as you have it done every single year. Okay, so any questions about that, reach out to us. I'm Renee with LCS Heating and Cooling, and we will look forward to seeing you next time on HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real.